if you had invested in S&P 500 in 2021, it would have costed you around 3,000 US dollars. And if you held that stock until now, that amount will have doubled. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the best applications that you can use to invest in US stock, irrespective of your location. Whether you are in India, Australia, UK, or even Canada, you can invest by utilizing these 4 applications. Some of the things that you have to put into consideration when choosing which application to use to purchase US stock include the fees being charged by that application. For example, commission and also the minimum deposit in order for you to purchase a stock. So in this video, I'm going to be going through all that, and all the applications that I'm going to be sharing with you have no or almost zero commission fee, and also the minimum deposit is something you can afford. The second thing is the user interface and the web interface. It should be beginner friendly since you are just getting started. Even if you have already invested in stocks, then all these applications that I'm gonna share with you are also suitable for you. Another thing is account type, whether they offer tax advantage or even cash accounts, and market access. Do they only offer US stock market or even other international markets? We're gonna see that. Also, strong regulation. All the applications that I'm gonna be sharing are regulated. So even though there are a few, I will just share those that are regulated. And also another thing is educational tools and also demo account. This is where you will learn how to utilize these apps when it comes to purchasing stock from the US market. So one of the best apps that you can use to purchase US stock is Interactive Brokers, that is IPKR. So this is a well-established global broker. So the owners of this application are actually regulated brokers, and Interactive Brokers have been regulated by SEC, FINRA, FCA, and many others. And it serves the priorities of beginners and also the pros in the market. And the Interactive Broker Lead Plan offers zero commission on US stocks and ETFs, as well as fractional share investing. So fractional share investing is where you just pay part of the whole amount of a price of a share. Let's say a share is going for 100 US dollars. So you can buy a fractional share of $10. So you don't need to buy the whole amount. Like for example, in S&P 500, if the stock is 6,000 US dollars, you can invest 1,000 in it. So that is a fraction of the whole ETF. So Interactive Broker, its platform provides very low overall fee, just spread or small markup, and thousands of tradable assets. The trade-off is that Interactive Broker apps are powerful but can feel complex to new users. That is normal, and we also have a learning curve, so you don't need to worry about that because they also offer educational videos that will teach you through how to utilize these applications. So on the plus side, Interactive Brokers offer extensive resources, including free Traders Academy, webinars, newsfeed, research tools to help novice learners. So if you are just a beginner, then you'll have access to materials on how you can utilize this broker and their application to start investing in the US stock market. There is no minimum deposit for Interactive Brokers, so you can deposit any amount, making it accessible to beginners. So the advantage about the Interactive Brokers app is extremely low cost, so you can deposit any amount, and also you have a wide global market access, strong research tools, and education. One of the disadvantages about this is the steep learning curve. Advanced interface may overwhelm new beginners or novice, which requires self-direct investing, but because they offer the Traders Academy and webinar, you will be able to go through this learning process swiftly. So this application is suited for new investors who want maximum control and are willing to dedicate time to learn the platform. So that is one of the best application you can use when it comes to investing in the US stock if you are not in the US. And this is also available for Africans. So let's go into the next application. And the next application is Webull. Webull is a commission-free trading app where you can invest in US stocks, ETFs, and options. It's known for its rich charts and also features. It's available in many countries, e.g. the US, the UK, Singapore, etc. And it lets your users trade both local and US markets depending on their regions. Webull support fractional shares and offer advanced tools like paper trading simulators, robo-advisors, and in-depth technical charts, which you will use to track the performance of your stock. It provides new feeds and analytics ratings, but has few structured educational tutorials compared to interactive brokers. The interface is slick and fast, great for those willing to use technical analysis, but beginners may need to learn some chart basics like how to analyze a chart, that is technical analysis. Webull is regulated by the US and international regulators like FINRA set in the US. And also it requires no minimum deposit in most countries. So let's consider the pros of this. So just like the interactive brokers, it offers zero commission, robust mobile and desktop platform, extended hours trading, fractional shares, and also crypto options. So if you are a crypto guy, then Webull is what you should consider. Now let's go into the disadvantage, the cons. May be more complex than ultra simple apps. Educational content is limited and mostly suited to hands-on traders. So if you are a beginner, you may consider interactive brokers because they offer more educational content. So this is good for young and technical traders who want powerful free tools for US stock investing, as they offer more charting, so you have access to more technical analysis components. So that is another application that you can use to buy US stock and even other global stocks. So let's go into our third application, that is Trading 212. So Trading 212 is a European broker with a very beginner-friendly trading app, and it offers commission-free stock trading in US markets, and also they offer fractional investing, so you can buy $10 of a share instead of a whole share. I had already explained about fractional share. And also the app has practical accounts and a very simple interface with team waitlist, but it lacks deep research and learning content compared to Webull, which they offer more advanced charting application. And also there is no inactivity fee, and you can start with as little as $1. So you can see the minimum amount here is $1, which makes it beginner friendly. The Trading 212 is FCA regulated UK. As I told you, these are UK based broker and application, and also operates in European countries under local licenses. So if you are in Europe, then this is the best trading app you can use to invest in US stock market. Also, let's go into the pros. So easy for beginners, no commission or custody fee. They also offer fractional share and demo mode. So all these apps that I'm going to share with you offer fractional shares, and you can find them through the link in the description to have access to these applications. The cons about Trading 212 is limited educational resources and customer support, no access to retirement account. So you should consider that. So this is ideal for people in Europe and also who want straightforward, low-cost way to invest in small account in US stock without paying FT fees. So as a beginner, I told you you should consider the fees being charged and also the minimum amount. And our last application is eToro. This is a social trading platform popular worldwide. eToro offers 0% commission fee on US stock and ETF trade, and a very user-friendly mobile app. It supports fractional share purchases and even provides a free virtual demo account so beginners can practice trading with play money. eToro's social feed and copy trading features lets users follow expert move. So this is one of the apps that offers copy trading, and which makes it good for beginners so that they can follow what the experts are doing. And the platform includes an eToro Academy of webinar articles for learning. It does charge currency conversion spread and has a minimum deposit of $50. So this is one of the apps that charges more when it comes to minimum deposit. It's $50, but for the other three apps that I've mentioned, they don't have any minimum deposit, or the minimum deposit is $1. eToro is fully regulated by major authorities like FCA in the UK, CSEC in the Europe, and ASIC in Australia, etc., giving it a strong global reputation. No commission on stock, that is one of the advantages about it. Intuitive interface, strong community features, and also they offer a demo account. The cons about this eToro app is that limited account type, no retirement account like the trading to 12, possible hidden currency fee, few advanced tools compared to pro platform. So this is ideal for first timers who want a simple engaging start in the US stock. Let's now have a recap about this on the key components on which one you can use. So of course, you can see all these are regulated, so I'll not be touching on that. So, and also all these have fractional shares, and what you should consider is the minimum deposit. For eToro, it's 50, Interactive Broker $0, Webull $0, and the minimum for trading to 12 is €1. Also, when it comes to commission, all of these applications charge 0% commission on US stock and ETFs. So if you want to get started with trading in the US stock market, then these are the 4 best applications that you should consider using them in order for you to start trading in the US stock market, because they are regulated and they are also beginner friendly and they don't charge much of the fee. So each of these apps is globally accessible to international users outside the US and complies with strict financial regulation. They all offer low or zero commission and also fractional share investing, making US stock investing affordable for beginners. So the best choice depends on your needs. eToro and Webull focus on social and advanced trading features, while Interactive Brokers provide a broadest market access and research, and Trading to 12 over simplicity and demo trading. So all provide some educational support, but new investors should still read up on basic concepts like fees, order types, diversification, etc. before trading. So what I'll recommend in my view is Interactive Brokers, because they offer everything, including educational content, also $0 deposit. You can deposit any amount. They also offer fractional shares and it's available globally, unlike Trading to 12, which is mostly available in the European nation. So hope you have learned something and you are ready to get started with stock market trading in order for you to invest your money and gain some value in the future. So consider subscribing to this channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Let's meet in the next video and have a great day.